I understand there's something called married filing separately versus a joint filing. Can you maybe give a brief overview as to when that would apply and why folks would think about either option?
And does that exist now with the new Tax Act? Because I can't remember the answer to that.
Yeah, it's interesting. If I could change anything about tax law, well, I change a lot of things. But one thing I would definitely get rid of is this sort of antiquated idea that we should combine tax situations with each other when we get married. It's hard enough to combine financial situations. I know Chloe can speak to that. It's hard enough to combine legal situations. I know Cherish can speak to that. But I have a number of clients who are married and have had issues combining their financial situation. But then I tell them, oh, well, unless you want a really bad tax answer, you're going to need to combine your financial situation simply to file tax returns together. That's very problematic, especially when one spouse has a business and the other one doesn't, and withholdings and estimated tax payments and all that get very confusing. On the other hand, I have a number of clients who have lived together for a long time in a partnership and are not married, and so they don't have the opportunity to file jointly, which a lot of times can hurt them, but a lot of times can present opportunities. Again, if one person's a business owner, one's not, maybe they can one can employ the other and shift some income around to push income to someone in a lower tax bracket. It's really a frustrating situation for a lot of folks, because just these days, just because you're married doesn't mean that you share a financial situation, and because you're unmarried doesn't mean you don't.